Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid Book 2. Non timi tindaredis facies in visa lacaenae, cultatusve paris divum inclementia divum, assevertit opes dernit qua culmine Troiam. Not the face of Laconian Helen, hateful to you, nor Paris, guilty or having been blamed, but the inclementia, the unkindness, the cruelty of the gods, overturns these riches and lays low Troy from its summit. So up here in the very first line we have a patronymic. Tyndarus is a feminine name of Tyndarus, which is Helen's father's name, and it's being used to represent Helen. So not the face of Laconian, and since Helen is from Laconia, from Sparta, which is in Laconia, she's a Laconian woman, so this is an adjective describing her. So not the face hateful to you of Laconian, Tyndarus, or Helen, or Paris having been blamed, or guilty Paris. But now here we don't have a said or anything, but this comma kind of ends the thought of non, way, and then we get our real subject here. So it's not this or this, but it's this. It's this inclementia. It is the unkindness or the cruelty. Divum is syncope for divorum, so it's the unkindness of the gods, genitive plural, and then we have it repeated, of the gods again, genitive plural. So this is clearly anaphora, repetition for effect. Venus is the speaker here, remember, and she's trying to emphasize to Aeneas that it's not Helen that you should blame, or even Paris. It's the gods. It's the cruelty, the unkindness, the inclemency of the gods of the gods. She's emphasizing that to him with this anaphora here. Remember, anaphora, repetition for effect. So the inclemency, here's the subject. What does it do? Here's our verb. The inclemency, or the unkindness, or the cruelty, overturns these opes, these riches, and lays low Troy, Troiam, here's our accusative, our direct object, from its summit. A cumne, from the peak, from the summit of Troy.